Now, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day from Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern and closes on Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And over each 24-hour period, we have four different sessions. We have the New York session, which opens at 8 a.m. Eastern and closes at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. We have the Tokyo session, which opens at 7 p.m. Eastern and closes at 4 a.m. Eastern. We have the Sydney session, which opens at 5 p.m. Eastern and closes at 2 a.m. Eastern. And the most traded session, which is the London session, opens at 3 a.m. Eastern and closes at 12 noon Eastern. Now, the best times to trade are when sessions overlap. And this is because there are more traders actively participating in the market when sessions overlap. And this means greater liquidity in the market, which means that if you enter the market, there's a greater opportunity that prices will move larger distances as more traders are actively trading the market at these times. So we see at 8 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern, the London session and the New York session overlap. Now, this is one of the best times to be trading from 8 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern. We also see that from 19 to 1 a.m. Eastern Time, the Sydney session and the Tokyo session overlap. So it's best to trade when sessions overlap, as this will give you greater opportunity and will make trading a lot easier for you.